Security, Motor Bus James R. Barker. It's now coming clear to CNR dock. Outbound for the lake, standing by channel 16 and 13. Repeating, security, Motor Bus James R. Barker. All clear to CNR dock. Outbound for the lake, standing by channel 16 and 13. Duluth Aerial Bridge, the James R. Barker.
This is the aerial lift bridge, channel 10.
Channel 10.
Hi, this is the bridge on 10.
Hey, good evening. We're just coming around Rice's Point here. I'm just giving you a shout.
Sounds good, Cap. I'll see you in a little bit.
Sounds good, thanks.
Bridge clear.